crude oil failing to trade again to today above 63.6. We have seen a dip and now it has come down towards the next support zone at 62.8, 63. It is yet not confirming bearishness here. As we have discussed the levels earlier in the day, it has respected the levels so far. While it is natural gas which is shown a slight bullish move here and it is yet again trading above 3.2. What to expect now from oil and gas? Are we looking forward to a rise? The storage data for natural gas today definitely will lead on to the volatility here into gas prices. Which direction oil and gas gonna take? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil, followed with net gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly chart since the drop, see it was trading with the support from this trend line. Now it has breached this line. This is pretty important. And now if you see oil trading below 62.75 and 62.4, that will be the confirmation of next round of drop, which might take it towards 62, 61.8 as the next target zone and then 61.5 as the strongest one. Right now I can see too early to jump onto that conclusion, but important to note that now the price is trading below this trend line support. Hence we have to watch out. A move below 62.4 might definitely confirm further downside. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD since the retracement has crossed over. This is trading bearish. The RSI has dropped here as well. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, drop, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, yet also this time it is trading below the support zone here. It has breached the 20 and 50 period moving average, which has crossed over for the buys, and now I'll wait for 62.75 and then 62.5, 62.4 to be taken in order to confirm further bearishness. Yes, the moving averages have crossed over on the buy side though. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD. See MACD after forming a top here, look at the performance in MACD. Hitting the highs, this has crossed over. This is definitely a slight bearish sign. The RSI here is dropped as well. Slight bearish indication it is. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. It is delivering higher lows and higher highs. This is trading in this bullish channel. Very, very important for oil to trade beyond 64. That is the only level beyond which you can say that the bulls are taking over. In fact, even if you see it is staying beyond 63.6 today, buy here and expect 64. And then beyond 64, it might deliver a good rally. Right now, I can say it appears to have exhausted with the little swings here, trying to deliver a breakout. I'll watch out if it trades below 62.7, 62.4 levels here. Below 62.4, certainly more bearishness should be seen. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD since the retracement is on the verge of a crossover for sell, and the RSI is looking downwards, which is again a slight bearish sign. On the 4 hour charts, when you similar observation on the 4 hour charts, notice the drop here, the retracement. It is possible that it can try to take a dip, but I'll say there are greater supports available on the downside. Till 61.5, you have to stay cautious with the sells here. Beyond 61.5, the possibility of a move towards 60 will be very, very, very high. If not today, then with the next session here. The moving averages on the 4 hour charts are still staying bearish, and also important to note that now the price is trading below this channel. This is a breakout move. If at all it trades below 62, 61.8, you can expect the next target to be towards 61.4, 61.5. And if that is taken, ideally, oil prices should reach 60 as well. But right now, I'll say too early to jump onto that conclusion. There is still bullishness here. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD since the retracement trying to converge now, not yet crossed over though. RSI, when you see, this is almost staying flat. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, important to note stronger bearish move here, retracement here, higher lows and higher highs here. And if it stays below 61.8, 61.5, see drop retracement. If it stays below 61.5, this time we might see a stronger drop, which is going to take the price towards 60 and lower levels. And today could be the day when it might confirm the reversal. However, when you look at the last two candles, it is still staying bullish, and a move beyond 63.3 and 63.6 is a clear sign of a reversal, a rise towards 64, 64.5, in fact 65. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for buys. RSI is flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels here. And before I provide you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, which I think you should, do not miss to join the 34th mentorship batch starting coming Monday, 15th of September. Only limited seats are now available. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for any of your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First is where you should buy. 63.2 itself you can buy. Expect 63.5, 63.6. Again, the same levels we have been talking about and same levels are holding good as well. 64 next, 64.5 then, and then 65.2, 66. Those who follow me for long must have mugged up these levels. We have been repeating these levels since long now. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 62.8 levels, which is, you can see we are very close to it. You can sell here. In fact, you can sell at 62.75. Expect 62.5, 62.4 as the first target. 62, 61.8 as the next, and if this is taken, 61.4, 61.5 as the last. If at all oil trades below 61.5, 61.4 zone, stay short for 61.1, 60.6, and then 60. Below this, 59.2, 57.8 is going to be the next target levels. Let's see, the direction it takes today is going to remain pretty important. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas, after the good drop all the way now towards 3.1514, we have seen it is staying in the zone. Higher lows are seen and now trying to break out. Now, if you see it is staying beyond 3.22, you can buy here. Expect 3.24, 3.26. If at all it trades beyond 3.26, I think this time we are looking at 3.4, 3.6 levels very, very soon. Moving averages have started to convert, though not yet confirming bullishness. But yes, you can see rise, sideways megaphone pattern and a bullish move here. So possibly this might continue here on the upside. The stochastic at the top here. MACD after hitting the bottom has crossed over. This is trading with moderate bullishness. This calls for price to escalate, price to rise a little in the near term. RSI rising, which is also a supportive sign for the bulls. On the 2 hour chart, notice one single candle drop, then retracement, then a drop, then retracement. So it might follow with a drop. But here you should notice 3.14. This is the first support zone, and then below that it is going to be 2.97. As long as 2.97 is not taken in natural gas, do not treat this as bearish. Pretty clear here. Stochastic rising, the MACD was trading bearish. It is now just now crossed over, which is a supportive sign for further rise. The RSI is also rising, which is also a supportive sign for the bulls. On the 3 hour charts, when you see after the drop here, now this is trying to reverse. It has formed a very good base now at 3.1614 zone, trying to reverse here, but I'll not treat this as a complete reversal as long as 3.26, 3.3 zone is not taken. 3.3 is a critical milestone for natural gas to break beyond. And see, for the last few candles, whenever it moves towards 20 period and 50 period takes a support, it follows with higher highs. So this time again it might move towards higher highs, aiming towards 3.36. Let's wait. Let's wait for it to break the upward resistances. Stochastic rising. The MACD has dropped here. It is waiting for it to converge crossover for a buying trade. RSI is rising, which is also a supportive sign for further bullishness. On the 4 hour, you can see a drop here, support from 50 period trying to bounce back. Important thing here is the moving average is after staying bullish now trying to converge, though we have not seen a crossover, but yes, a good support is seen trying to bounce back. However, I will say you have to be cautious with the buying trades as long as 3.26 is not taken and 3.3 is not taken. Also on the downside, one very important point here is the support it is created first at 3.14 and then at 2.97. These are the crucial support now for natural gas. As and how it breaches these support levels, the bearishness is going to increase. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is staying flat here. And if you look at the daily chart, on the daily charts, look at the preceding few candles, lower highs, lower lows. Clearly is a bearish channel here with lower highs, lower lows. The moving average is convergent here, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. Because see, it was trading with divergence, now it is looking upwards, so it is a good sign that we may see bullishness prevailing here. And today's candle is going to remain pretty important. A move beyond 3.2526 is a sign for a rise towards 3.3, and if it stays beyond 3.3, remember 3.3, 3.36 is a greater milestone which natural gas has to break beyond. Then 3.4, the ultimate one. A move beyond 3.4 is a clear sign of a greater rally ahead. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD is in green, the RSI is comfortably placed. So considering this, what I'll do, see first, if you see it is staying beyond 3.225, buy here, expect 3.2526. First target zone, 3.3 next, 3.33 third, 3.36 fourth, and then 3.4. Any move beyond 3.4 is a clear sign of a greater rally ahead towards 3.6, 3.8 levels very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.19. And if you see natural gas trading beyond 3.19, stay short for 3.17 and then expect 3.15, 3.14, the first target zone. This is very crucial for natural gas to break below. Expect 3.11 next and then 3.06, 3 and 2.97. If at all it decides to trade below 2.97, it is going to deliver a massive down move towards 2.8886 and then 2.78 levels. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the each and every session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it.